In this tutorial, we will cover the really simple steps that will enable you to connect and control your devices with Amazon Alexa and ChipChop. So first, let's open the ChipChop development console. And here at the top, you have the Alexa Connect link. On this page, just press the Connect button, and this will open the secure sign in with Amazon. Enter your login details. And press sign in. And on this screen, press allow. This will effectively log you into your ChipChop account through the secure login with Amazon. And here we go. The linking process is now complete. So your ChipChop account is now linked with your Alexa account. And you can now safely close this window. And you can see now in the development console, it has picked up the information sent back from the Amazon server, and it's showing that your accounts are now connected. If you ever want to disable Alexa through ChipChop, simply press the disconnect button here. You may want to do that occasionally if you're experimenting a lot, adding, removing devices, and you can reconnect at any time. And now the fun stuff. If we now jump into the link devices section, you have the list of all your devices, and it's a really simple procedure. You select the device that you want to control through Alexa, and then you need to choose which components you want to be controllable. Not all components can be controlled through Alexa, and if they're not compatible, you will see that it's grayed out and it will say that it's not compatible. And then you choose the component, say yes or no. So let's say we want these two components to be controlled through Alexa. Choose in which category that device will be showing in your Alexa app. The first 5-6 categories here I know work fine. It's up to you. You can experiment with things like a Christmas tree or a dishwasher. I have no idea if this will work. Have a go, it's fun, experiment. You may end up with some weird mutant devices showing in the Alexa app. I tend to stick to these few 5-6 or specify other as a category. And then finally you say yes or no if now for this device to be controllable through Alexa, and press save. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to a different camera, and I will show you now how this works in real life. So I'm going to use the little smart LED device we've built in the previous tutorial, and all I have to do now is go in the Alexa Connect section under Link Devices, find my little smart LED, choose the components I want to expose to Alexa. Here we only have one. I'm going to say yes, use it with Alexa, choose the category. I'm going to choose a switch, not a light, because you can change a switch into light and go backward and forward in the actual Alexa app. And then finally say Alexa enable yes and press save. Depending on the version of the Alexa app you have on your phone and the latest updates, sometimes you will get an automatic pop-up on your phone saying that the new device has been discovered. This month it decided not to do that, so what you need to do is open the app, go into the little plus, add device, choose other. You don't need any of that, so can't find the matching logo and not sure. And now Alexa is actually looking for every possible device you may own, and eventually it will contact ChipChop and get the list of all your devices, and this one is also now trying to discover new devices. I will skip this video until we get to the discovery device found. And here we go. One new switch found and connected. So let's go to setup, skip all of that. Done. And here it is. If we click now on Smart LED, here we go. So now let's see how the communication with Alexa and ChipChop works. So from the app, if I go power on, here we go, the device is on and off. But that's nothing interesting. You can do that anyway through the ChipChop web app or the live control in the development console. Here we go. What is the interesting part is to use voice control. So let's see how that works. Alexa, Smart LED on. Alexa, Smart LED off. And you can also see the status updating in the ChipChop development console. Now, the development console runs a cycle of every 10 seconds to check the status of each device, but actually the commands are happening in real time. So it's just a visual delay when something happens to get the interface updated. So here we go. And also, if we, let's say, switch the device on in the development console, the device on or off, you will see that the Alexa app will update itself automatically. The app is checking every 2 seconds. It's requesting a status report from ChipChop. So there is a slight delay, but it's only the visual delay of the app updating the status on the screen. But the actual commands are executing in real time. And same is with ChipChop. If we have a look on the ChipChop web app, we can also use that to control the device, and also the speed is a lot faster because there is no translation from voice and bouncing back and forth through different servers. So for day-to-day use, best thing is to use the ChipChop web app or the development console if you're experimenting, and then for voice control, just use Alexa. Alexa, Smart LED on. And that's it. I hope you have found this useful, and you can now start shouting at your microcontroller slaves all day long. Have fun!